Shanna Khotnabana Malemda Manipur shak Takpagum Louwu Singwu Banasu lamdam Malemda shak Taktana Hotnasi haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokkhre Wafam Manipur Lengaki Agriculture Department amadi State Agricultural Management Extension Institute Sameti anina sinduna state ki thakta pangthokpa state krishi mela hawdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane Palace compound laiba iboyaima sumang lila saglenda pangthokhiba thoramadda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na hai Louwu Singwu haibasi aikoigi punsi mahinga tatna thanaba yadraba amane khonai amagi yanglen sarusu Louwu Singwu bana oiribane haukiba chahi khara asida anova technology kaya lairakpadagi Louwu Singwu gi phibam ase khongjal yangna chawkhalakle state asigi oina ngasi laumi singi mela ama pangthokpa ase afaba khongthakne mela asena achauba platform ama oiraga laumi singi marakta tathok tasin tawminabagi tanja ama phangbaga loinana expert singdagi lousing tansinbagi tanja ama so phangangane state asida Central Agricultural University ama lairamba ase aikoigi yamna laibak phabane University asige kanaba sing state asige laumi sing amadi miyamna launaba honase Shanna Khotnabana Malemda Manipur shak Takpagum Louwu Singwu gi lamdam Malemda shak taksi haina mahakna laumi singi pukneng chingsinke mahakna makhatana hai laumi singda Louwu Singwu ga mari leinana potlam sing ataba mamalda phangaliba ase afaba khongthang amane state asi Louwu Singwu gi lamda khudongchaba yamna laiba mafamde state asigi laumi singda anoba makhagi Louwu pathap matik chana phangalabade lamdam asida Louwu Singwu gi lam asi hena chawkhatpa oigani thajai lamdam asigi laumi singna su mamangai dagi lairaklaba Louwu Singwu gi lausing aduga loinana anoba technology gi lausing tansinduna lamdam asi Louwu Singwu gi lamda chawkhatpa state ama oinaba honasi haina mahakna makhata ke
Government of India has been promoting large number of schemes. Few were mentioned by the compare. Essential farming equipment such as water pumps, sprinklers, backpack sprayers and biofertilizers will be provided at subsidized rates. These resources will help farmers in improving their efficiency, reduce manual labor and increase productivity. I firmly believe that our state has immense potential in agriculture and with the right guidance, support and innovation, our farmers can achieve new heights of success. Let's take the new technology by staying rooted to the traditional wisdom. Let's work together to make Manipur a self-sufficient and prosperous agrarian state. On this occasion, I urge all our farmers to make the most of this event, absorb valuable insights, implement them in their fields. And I assure you that Government of Manipur will continue to support and stand with our farmers at every step.
Ngasidagi hauraga thasigi kunipal fauba chathagadaba mela adu hawdokpagi thoramga mari leinana Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na mela adu da hangniba stall kontra taret hakthengnana yengsinke thoramadu da khangalaba laumi gi loop sing amade laumi singda tongan ba agriculture ga mari leinaba scheme singi makhada piba facility singso Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na khuchanake